In this training, we're going to cover how to quickly filter by date in the News Monitor. Let's run a search for real-time news related to IBM. So we're going to remove our instrument for Microsoft, and we're going to type in the instrument for IBM. We're going to change the display so that it shows headlines from April 14th through April 18th. Next, open the Date Range filter by clicking the calendar icon to the right. The Date Range filter now appears below the command line. Select the calendar icon next to the From field and select April and then 14. Next, select the calendar icon in the To field. We're going to select April again and the 18th. The News Monitor app automatically updates with headlines for IBM between April 14th and 18th. You can also filter for a specific time of day. You can clear the date range by clicking on Clear Date Range. To minimize the date filter, click onto the calendar to the far right. To edit or remove the date filter, simply click the calendar icon again and make the desired changes. Thank you for joining me today on how to quickly filter by date in the news search in the News Monitor app.